Good day to you. Today I would like to share how to use this Instagram post to create the poster design. So when we click here, create blank page, it will bring you the totally is a square dimension for use. So here we can we can click file to select the ruler and guide for the guideline for us. So first of all, we can come to element to select some vegetable salad, and then we can click photo for further use. So because if you are the Canva free user, maybe is have a limit for the photo. So if you can take some photo by yourself, is better and good. So here I just choose one of the photo and then set as a breakout image, and then center the photo. Once again, you can download and then becoming a PNG, and then you can go to the remove BG to remove the background. So for example, I already upload some of the photo I need, so I can just click and paste on the page I want. So I need to do some coloring. For example, if you have put one of the photo, they will let you know the color in this photo. So here, if I want to choose the color more pretty, I can use this green color, dark green. Then I need some elements. For example, maybe it's about blur circle. Then I can click this photo to becoming lower to matching this guideline. Then it just a bit lower. Okay, then I need the one table. Need to edit this photo, shadows, maybe stroke shadow. Okay, click one more time, then the angle maybe to everything okay, just click like this. Then we also can click adjustable a little bit over here. Okay, now what we want is about some photo, for example, like so basically we will use two fonts or no more than 3 fonts in one poster design. Okay, okay, was matching it like this. Okay, now what I want to do is this one, I can remove it. like this, more lighter, sorry, more attractive. Here, like cargo truck. Okay, we can use cargo truck becoming white. This is today I'm sharing. I hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget, give me a like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video soon. Bye bye.